Welcome back to Car Mania. Today, we need to clear up one very important point before we get into the Lamborghini everyone is talking about. If you have seen videos online claiming there is a brand new 2026 Lamborghini Huracán, be careful, because Lamborghini has officially moved on from the Huracán name. The Huracán's production was winding down after 2024, and its successor is the all-new Lamborghini Temerario. Lamborghini itself confirms that the Temerario replaced the Huracán, so for 2026, the real story is not a new Huracán, it is the next generation of Lamborghini's V10 supercar replacement. And honestly, once you see what Lamborghini has done with the Temerario, you might understand why the company decided it was time for a major change. The Huracán became one of the most recognizable Lamborghini supercars of the modern era. It brought the Italian brand's dramatic design, naturally aspirated V10 character, all-wheel drive technology, incredible acceleration, and everyday usability into a package that became extremely popular around the world. But the automotive industry is changing rapidly, and Lamborghini is moving toward electrification without giving up the emotional character that makes its cars special. That brings us to the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, the model that now occupies the space previously held by the Huracán. And this is where things get seriously interesting. Instead of continuing with the Huracán's naturally aspirated V10, Lamborghini developed an entirely new twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 and combined it with 3 electric motors. The result is a total system output of 920 CV, or roughly 907 horsepower. Lamborghini says the car can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds, while top speed reaches 343 km per hour, or about 213 miles per hour. Think about that for a second. The Huracán became legendary because of its screaming V10, but the Temerario takes a completely different approach. Under the rear bodywork is a 3,995.2 cc twin-turbo V8, and this engine is designed to rev all the way to 10,000 revolutions per minute. Lamborghini says the combustion engine itself produces 800 CV, with peak power available from 9,000 to 9,750 revolutions per minute and maximum torque of 730 Nm between 4,000 and 7,000 revolutions per minute. The electric motors then add instant response and help fill the gaps between gear changes and engine speeds. And that is one of the most fascinating parts of the Temerario. This is not simply a traditional V8 with a small electric motor attached for efficiency. Lamborghini has created a high-performance hybrid system designed around acceleration, response, and driving emotion. One electric motor is positioned between the V8 engine and the gearbox, while 2 additional electric motors are used at the front. The result is an electronically controlled all-wheel drive system capable of delivering power extremely quickly. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where Lamborghini still feels unmistakably like Lamborghini. The Temerario has a low, wide stance, sharp body surfaces, aggressive air intakes, a dramatic front end, and futuristic lighting signatures. Lamborghini describes the design as a new milestone for the brand, with hexagonal daytime running lights, an exposed engine, and a functional rear spoiler designed to contribute to aerodynamic efficiency. From the front, the car looks incredibly aggressive. The nose sits extremely low, while the aerodynamic openings are designed to move air around and through the body. The headlights give the car a futuristic identity, and the sharp lines running through the hood and fenders make it look like it is moving even when it is standing still. Move around to the side and the proportions become even more dramatic. The cabin is positioned toward the rear, creating that classic mid-engine supercar appearance. Large side air intakes help feed the powertrain, while the bodywork is shaped to balance cooling requirements with aerodynamic performance. The wheels and tires are also designed around the car's enormous performance potential, and Lamborghini offers extensive personalization options for customers who want something truly unique. Then you reach the rear, and this is where the car becomes almost theatrical. Lamborghini has made the engine an important visual part of the design. Instead of completely hiding everything underneath the bodywork, the Temerario gives you a glimpse of its mechanical character. The rear spoiler, diffuser, vents, exhaust outlets, and aerodynamic surfaces all work together to make the car look like it belongs on a racetrack. But the big question is this: does the Temerario still feel like a Lamborghini? Absolutely. The numbers alone are impressive, but Lamborghini has focused heavily on keeping the emotional side of the driving experience alive. The V8 is engineered to rev to 10,000 revolutions per minute, which is an extraordinary figure for a modern twin-turbocharged engine. Lamborghini even describes the engine as delivering a continuous progression toward that high revving limit. And there is another important change. The Temerario is not just about being brutally fast in a straight line. Lamborghini has also focused on comfort and usability. The company describes it as combining performance with comfort, and the interior technology has been developed to give the driver a much more connected experience. Inside the cabin, you get Lamborghini's modern digital interface, multiple displays, connected functions, and even a passenger display that allows the person sitting beside the driver to become more involved in the driving experience. That passenger screen is a particularly cool touch because it lets the passenger see performance information and feel like part of the action rather than simply sitting there watching the driver. The Temerario also uses Lamborghini's latest vehicle dynamics technology, including the company's LDVI 2.0 system. This technology helps coordinate the car's different systems and driving characteristics, allowing the vehicle to respond intelligently to the driver and road conditions. The goal is to make a car with enormous performance feel controllable and predictable rather than intimidating. And then there is the hybrid system. Lamborghini has entered what it calls its high-performance electrified vehicle era, and the Temerario is the second model in this HPEV family after the Revuelto. The company's strategy is not to eliminate the combustion engine, but to combine it with electrification to create more performance and faster response. For fuel economy, Lamborghini lists EPA figures of 16 mpg combined when operating on gasoline alone and 24 mpg for combined electricity and gasoline operation. Of course, nobody is buying a Lamborghini like this primarily to save fuel, but these figures show how electrification is changing even the world of exotic performance cars. Now let's go back to the Huracán for a moment, because this is where the story becomes emotional. The Huracán was produced in several versions, including the Storado, Evo Spider, Technica, Santo, and final STJ. Lamborghini's own 2024 results announcement said the remaining Huracán production was moving toward the end of its cycle, with final cars continuing through deliveries in 2025. So if you're looking for a genuine 2026 Huracán, there isn't an official new generation model carrying that name. Instead, the Temerario is the car you should be looking at. And for collectors, that makes the final Huracán models even more interesting because they represent the end of Lamborghini's modern V10 era. The difference in philosophy is huge. The Huracán gave drivers the unforgettable experience of a naturally aspirated V10. The Temerario gives drivers a high-revving twin-turbo V8 combined with 3 electric motors. One represents the end of an era, while the other represents Lamborghini's new direction. And the performance numbers make that transition impossible to ignore. 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.7 seconds and a claimed top speed of 343 km per hour put the Temerario firmly into serious supercar territory. But perhaps the most exciting thing is that Lamborghini hasn't turned its back on drama. The doors, the low seating position, the aggressive bodywork, the exposed mechanical elements, the engine sound, and the visual presence are all still part of the experience. This is not a boring electric replacement designed only to chase efficiency. It is a Lamborghini designed to make your heart beat faster. And for someone considering a final Huracán versus the new Temerario, the decision becomes more emotional than mathematical. The Huracán gives you a naturally aspirated V10 and a piece of Lamborghini history. The Temerario gives you substantially newer technology, hybrid assistance, 920 CV, all-wheel drive capability, a twin-turbo V8, and a completely new generation of performance technology. That is why calling this car a 2026 Lamborghini Huracán doesn't tell the real story. The real 2026 Lamborghini story is the Temerario, and it represents one of the biggest transformations in the history of Lamborghini's mid-engine supercars. So, if you came here expecting a brand new 2026 Huracán, now you know the truth. The Huracán name has officially passed the torch, and the Temerario is carrying it forward. And honestly, with 920 CV, a 10,000 revolution per minute twin-turbo V8, 3 electric motors, a 2.7-second 0 to 100 time, and a 343 km/h top speed, this new Lamborghini has more than enough firepower to make its own legend. If you love Lamborghini, this is one transition you definitely don't want to miss. The Huracán gave us an unforgettable V10 chapter, but the Temerario is opening a completely new one, combining Italian design, high-revving combustion power, electric performance, advanced electronics, and everyday usability in one outrageous package. This is Car Mania, and if you enjoyed this deep look at Lamborghini's next-generation supercar, make sure you stay with us for more real-world automotive information, new car updates, performance cars, and the latest machines from around the world. The Huracán may be gone from Lamborghini's new car lineup, but its legacy is alive, and now, the Temerario is ready to take that legacy into the future.